Hello everyone, my name is Sophia and today I'll be showing you how to batch edit in Blackboard Ultra. The batch edit panel allows you to modify several settings for your course at once. First, open your Blackboard Ultra course. In the course content area, click the three-dot menu located in your course content. You can select batch edit from the menu and all course content will appear in a table view. Use the arrow next to a folder or learning module to expand or collapse its contents and fine-tune your selection. Selecting a folder or learning module automatically selects all items inside it. Use the checkbox next to each item to select individual content. Select the checkbox in the table header to select all items at once. For bulk deletion, use the checkboxes to select the items you want to remove from your content. Click Delete Items and confirm the deletion when prompted. Please note that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. This includes student submissions associated with assessments. For visibility, use the checkboxes to select the desired items to modify visibility. Click Edit Visibility and set the items to visible to students or hidden from students. Click Save Visibility to apply the changes. To edit dates, select the items you want to update. Choose Edit Dates at the bottom of the screen. In the Edit Type section, select one of the following options. Change to specific date and/or time. You can choose to change the specific time of day for a submission. For example, you've set the due date time to 8 p.m. and you've decided that you want to give students more time. You can use the batch edit to change all the due date times to 11:59 p.m. Change dates by number of days. Enter a number in the Shift Dates Forward or Shift Dates Backward fields. All dates for the items selected will be adjusted forward or backward based on the field and number you choose. For example, a snowstorm at the start of the semester pushes the academic calendar by a few days. You can use the Batch Edit tool to add 4 days to all due dates. Change dates based off course start. This option adjusts all the assignment dates based upon when the course started. All dates are moved forward by the number of days between their original start date and the new start date you selected. If you upload a previously created course into a new one, you can adjust all the dates in the new course to match the same cadence that the previously created course had. For example, you reuse content from the previous semester when your course's start date was August 19th, 2019. Your course's new start date is January 6th, 2020. All dates for the selected items are adjusted forward 140 days. Select Edit Dates to apply your changes. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.